How do you change the artboard side in Adobe Illustrator? Well, I'm about to show you. Notice we will open up a 5x7" print document. We're going to create that. Once your document is opened up, what you want to do is go to the toolbar and find the artboard tool. You could also press Shift and O, which would bring it up. Now once you have that tool selected, you will see that there's points on the 4 sides and on the 4 corners. And if you click on one of them, you're able to drag it and change the artboard size to whatever you want. So this is handy just if you have something that just fits this, but you just want a little extra on the side, you could pull it a little bit and there you go. Now what you can do to keep the size proportional is when you grab it and pull it down or up, just hold Shift and it will keep it proportional to the size it is already. Now you might be wondering, what if I want a specific size? Well, that's pretty simple. All you need to do is look up here and you can see the placement in the document, the X value and then the Y value, but you also see the width and height. I will change this to an 8.5 by 11 artboard. So I will do 8.5 for 8.5, and that is the width. And then I will do 11 inches, which the inches are already in there. If they're not, just type IN and then hit enter. And then Control 0 fits the artboard into the document. And there you go, you have an 8.5 by 11 artboard from a 5x7 artboard. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.